Gameball is a gamified loyalty and reward solution designed to boost customer engagement, drive activation, and grow referrals right within your Fintech app. Let's do a quick tour of the Gameball dashboard so you know exactly how it works. First things first, you want to go to the ways that people can earn and redeem points. This can be based on transactions or topping up their wallet, completely up to you. You can decide extra rules on things like points expiry and collection based earnings so you can try and push specific products or services that matter most. On the redemption side, you can have default redemption so they can choose how many points they get to redeem, and or you can have custom redemption options. For example, having a free product of a VIP debit card to incentivize their continued transaction frequency. This is all designed to be based on the goals that matter most for your business. Moving to referrals, this is very simple and straightforward. You decide what your current customer gets and what their friend gets for bringing them into buying your product or completing a transaction. You can give them an extra booster. You can decide the different things that determine a successful referral, completely up to you. You can choose to do points, dollars off, percentage off, free product, or free shipping. Everything is designed around what matters most, and you can decide how much you're able to give your customer. From there, you'll set up VIP tiers. This is all about creating that exclusive achievement like feeling for people the more and more they frequent with their transactions and working within your app. You can decide everything from how they level up, what they get at each tier, and if they get more points per dollar spent. This experience is entirely personalized to what matters most to your customer and the goals that you're trying to achieve with your business. You can also see the benefits up here. So you can see transaction fee discounts, for examples, a custom thing like free international transfers, or increased referral bonus. These are all different ways that you can incentivize that really exciting journey for your customer through tier to tier. Now, the real powerhouse of the Gameball solution, campaigns. We have rewards, communication, and automation campaigns. With rewards, you can have special little challenges that are incentivized to your customer. Things like action based rewards if they top up their wallet or complete the highest transaction they have to date. You can do time based rewards like celebrating a birthday, and you can do points multiplier rewards on high impact events like a weekend or a low period where you can increase the points earned per transaction. Or if you're feeling like you want some help, we also have an entire catalog to help you with ideas for different campaigns that you can create. On your communication side, you want to focus on getting the message to your customer. This is really important in making sure that you get the right message to the right customer at the right time. You can decide to do this by sending an email, a web message, mobile push, or SMS. This can also go to all of your customers or a specific group depending on a certain event or attribute or action. It's completely up to you. Last but not least, in our campaigns, we have automation. This is a really powerful way to personalize the journey even further without having to do all the manual work. For example, you could have an automation set up where if they do a transaction over $500, you can do something like sending a web message and rewarding a coupon. It's just that simple, but feels like a really delightful experience for each and every one of your customers. Last but not least, on the things that we'll touch on in this tour is around our customer. This is your hub for all customer data and analytics. You can look at their transaction history, their points balance, their segments, all these different aspects. And one thing to note is you can go even deeper on every single person's experience by creating things we like to call segments. This is grouping players by a certain attribute or event or aspect about them. And with a segment, you can actually do specific campaigns, specific communications, specific automations, specific everything. This is your place to personalize depending on the different personas that you're trying to serve. This is very powerful for understanding exactly what it takes to reward, delight, and keep bringing your customers back. And that's it. Gameball is here to give you powerful, intuitive tools that help you grow your customer base to be loyal, big fans. We are always here to help if you need, and we wish you the best of luck in growing your loyalty base.